What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, we have Jabas, the Lion Man, Shay and Kiki. You know what I mean? It look like say they rub Kiki the wrong way my people and Kiki forward an event. We don't know say me share a video with you know. Early this morning, I can't say last night, you see me with Kiki and Shay and Queen kick off. You see me I say, so I'm gonna make you hear what Kiki have to say about Jabas the Lion Man and also Shay. No, Shay and Kiki never kick off. Queenie and Kiki did go at it. You see me I say, but a Shay woman that so you know say all for one and one for all this so. See, so we have Rosalie my people give a real view of her place. Me nah like the place look good. It look proper. You see me I say and come make the people them know say yo this is not no Airbnb because people have it to say a Airbnb she you know. You see me I say Akeem show some proof say yo he moving the stuff them fi further confirm say an Airbnb. You see me I say we are gonna get in at that. We also have Annie, you know what I mean? Ivani must go reveal Annie daughter picture on the internet and something and Annie feel some type of way cause Annie keep the daughter the kind of secret when it come to Annie, you know what I mean? She cherish the daughter there. I know say yo the daughter no contaminated certain way like the rest of the picnic them. You see it? So Ivani go do a wrong thing still but anyway that is Ivani. Ivani no have no like limit to where she capable of. You see me? And we have other things with people but you don't know me. I don't remember everything as usual. So make we go in at my people and maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off.
You know KK, they might appeal to the internet's desire. I don't come for appeal to the internet desire. I never yet come for appeal to no desire. You mad? You want me to lose myself? Hey girl, what you do down here so? Me and her. Oh, you're lucky. Me and her today. Man, I don't want you to like she want friend. But why? Me I run if I did run and pick them should have better block the boy. Yeah. Tired of your man in time. Yeah. You must be mad. So we run up our mate them, we don't care. Breads, we don't care breads. When we run up our mate them breads, we don't care. We don't care, we take them there. Be real, me no want class in a be real. Go on and love me now. Go on and love me now, be real. Oh. Yeah. So we rush up our mate them. And stone them. Oh, you know, yeah. Be real, me just run down my mate. You're so rude. Cassie come suck me. Cassie come lick out my body hole. Use the tongue and play cricket in my shit. Come give me anus LB00. I want you nasty Cassie. Yeah, come and talk about my rude. Come suck me. When you see me and my people them on the program and chat, now run up your stinking mouth dirty old girl. You know me from now a big hole. Eh? With your hole big like outer door. You see me and chat to be real and you come again, but you're so rude. Rude like you penny them and drop out of your Belgium where you have between your foot. Like she not watch the news. Nobody send call you orange bitch. Where you waste your gigabytes spam for slot. You see me and my people in my chat and you come and talk. You're so rude. Come use your tongue and give my body LBW with my shit. Come bowl up my shit. Discover! Lad, this could be yeah. Yeah. I saw them little bit enough. Boy, you're so rude. I'm rude for chewing up, but not in this case. My neighbor said me I flash my string them. And nobody can tell me say my ear now drop on the wrong, you know. Yeah, they have to study all the program on first. Yeah, come and run up your mouth. Go on in the comment section and go say I was over there. And he was rude into his gifters. Go on the comment section and go say so. Go on. My gifter them, I'm a man. Yeah. And a 4 platinum, a 4, 5 man. Don't do that. Then it's 2 the on the side, you 1 roll here, so. And 2, a 5. Hey, move your nastiness. It's 5. Get away. Whatever, right. Now rob me. Like how Jaden take with 3 yesterday, but what you doing in your 2 plat? Jaden a 5. Jaden is 5. My man want me still, you know. Jaden do I ear though? Jaden ear nice. Jaden and share make it. Them a do them ear. I kind of feel a little bit envious, you know, cause the girl them a do them ear, you know, for the 2026. The girl them a do them ear, man. Girl them a do them ear. Father God, thank you for share. She finally get some sunshine from the app because them have her in the dark long time, you know. Yeah, man. I pay eclipse shade and blackout. Them have her in the dark long time. The girl old, the girl old, my man only pass some times. Every day she gets up. Thank you for the post. Thank you for the post. Where the slut they now? Where the slut girl they now for cities? Where the girl name again? I'll be there for some while ago. It's my rude. Casanova! I don't even know who him. I'm just say, yeah, one name because I never seen him. Casanova! Cassie, see them close. Close. Yeah. Where Cassie was so good, Cassie there. Cassie will walk and blow up her body like a tea. And then you go, come now, push it in. Yeah. Them delete her comment. I hope them never bother black car, you know. I hope she see this. Yeah. Back to the matter at hand now. So how me get involved in a shame now for Rosalie and the bed set where the bed where Rosalie are laid on, and that's not what is on the picture. Them a scam way. Why you not scam my pocket already? Why not scam with vision for? How this? Rude.
Alright, my people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section because here I go on. I not too kill up myself when it comes to these people on the internet, you know, especially on TikTok and whether I lie or truth them I tell you know. Me just watch whatever they give me for watch for entertainment purposes and I don't put my all in it, like me not put myself in it to say yo, I wonder if I sure like me just take it for what it is with a grain of salt. Lie or truth, me just entertain myself by it and just left it there. So you see me? So more I know what you think. Make you watch some more.
Yeah. Rosalie has scam more vision. Where am the furnitures? Where am the bedroom set furnitures? Furniture can pluralize, you know. But me I pluralize it. Where are the furnitures? So when you not come outside, then Rosalie come in and tell me the truth, you feel a little bit away. You must feel a little bit away. Be real, thank you. Thank you, my baby. You must feel a little bit away. But the bed smaller though. Which one of the bed then smaller? So Rosalie have the sofa bed. I see. Hey, it's a sofa bed that I never that me did see. I never that Kyng show me. I Kyng never show me that. Yeah, someone know where the bed there. We see your bed set. You see my bed set. You don't know my bed set. You see my bed set. Nobody never see my bed set yet. Cause my bed have no head. My bed have no head. I have to kneel down and sleep. Cause everything I buy from China. Yeah, and it come with the tag made in China. So you couldn't see my bed. Yeah, mad, that's when them go overseas at Airbnb, me sleep. Me sleep. Cause stand up and sleep really. Yeah. A fool them want to take people for, but you will always avail yourself for them fool way. Why not? Yeah, why not? So, me tell you, sir, Rosalie, let me say this. On a serious note, Rosalie is not ready to move mentally. You see, fam, you're not ready for move mentally, you can't move. You have a stress. You see, handsome gunman, they keep putting things in a Rosalie's head, not realizing that Rosalie is not like them. Them know how to get them where around. Number one, them small, them little. They know how to maneuver themselves. Rosalie is not ready to move mentally. Mentally, she is not prepared. This is all. She still I wonder what is going on. Rosalie good at sleep and I wake up and I wonder where she there. You see, a person have to want that. And when I say want, it mean they plan for it mentally. So even though they have never gotten it, they plan for it mentally. So it's when them reach it, they just want to learn about it. You know, so they would operate as if, yeah, they are ready. No, for true. And at that much we have to say, I will have to see that. You can't pass yourself. Yeah, you have to stop yourself. Yeah, you have to see that. Number one, Rosalie never learned yet what is picked up paper lying on the ground. She never learned yet. And the son you ever see, you know, you must eat that. Come sit on the veranda. Take up the something that's give me. It depends on me. It depends on what I have, so. Yeah. Yeah. She not ready for that yet. Rosalie doesn't even clean up her surrounding. She doesn't even know how to wash. She not wash plate. But the gift that who get the house, they must go pay for help for wash down to Rosalie big blows then. Yeah, cause she must have about half those the big blows. Yeah. She not ready for that yet. You see, this is the thing, you know, when no family never know how to be a mother in a family yard. A yard when I grew up in for years. No for don't know what it's like to be a mother. And at that bit, if Rosalie that take care of them, she could take care of the little jing bang furniture them with the woman having her house. It's true. I don't think you know the word blows. Yeah. Short term Airbnb, they might look somewhere for her. Rosalie, I'm telling you the truth. Rosalie shouldn't do that. She just shouldn't. Certain things may not make nobody force me into. I'm my own individual, I'm my own big person. You're not going to tell me if I go to road go look like. Not even mama can tell me that. For go to road go look like. For go to road go look like. I must say, would me go suck. For go to road go look like. Now so it go. If we can't understand what looking like is from in my youth, in my baby stage, when people talk and say, life hard, I want to understand what make them say life hard. When we understand, say, if you don't have a job, things are difficult for you. So guess what? While me there my yard, I go and look one little work. I could have said ice mint regulars and bubble gum. I go and look one little work. My mama now ask me for money, me save that. Me want my first mattress. Me I buy my first mattress, throw down on the ground. I want my mattress bigger than my mama bed base. Me want to have that first.
Well, my people, as Shibada say, Rosalie not ready for it yet, you see me? And me feel so for true, she not really ready for it yet. You know why me say she not ready for it yet? You see, anybody will live with them parents or parent for a good long period of time, them never ever ready for left them parents house yet. You see me? Yeah, them never ready yet, because guess what, my people? It's like this, you get comfortable living that type of life. Even if you don't live good right through, you get comfortable in that environment there with them same people there. For you go out and depend on your own at that right now, it a go hard in a way. Me know say Rosalie a go ball. One of the night them she have to ball. She not go do it on live, you know. Me don't think she a go do it on. Maybe she do it on live, you know what I mean. But me know say she a go like one of the day them or night them when she alone did it when Akeem not there around. She a go shed a couple tears because the youth them not there and she a go there by herself. You see me I say, and people, luxury and riches is not happiness. It's it's comfort, but it's not happiness. You see me I say, a person can live in a one room shack with some loving people around them, and that is like everything. You see me I say, them more happy, them live longer than the person who have riches and luxury. You see me I say, so me personally still, you know, my people, me feel like say, you see, if a person live with them parents or parent for the longest period of time till them turn big woman, big man, and still live with them or something, and you go move on to a luxury life in the same country where that person is, and I say you left and gone to a different country and the person can't come there and in the same country, me don't feel like say you have left them out of the luxury life. You have to make them live the same life where you live until them pass. You see me I say, you owe them that. You don't really owe your parents them nothing still now, because them come for you and never you come. You know what I mean? But you at least, you know what I mean, no matter how you live, make me know what you think.
Me I buy my first DVD. Me I buy my first radio. Me I buy my first this. Me want buy my first. Me want buy my first. Everybody believe that for fine life you have to do something illegal. Well, fine. You're doing something illegal, at least you know to take care of your surroundings. Pick up papers, a long time I tell her that. Pick up papers lying on the ground. Pick up papers lying on the ground. You don't have to clean your place every day, Vanessa. You don't make nobody tell you say you have to clean your place every day. You don't have to follow people and clean your place. A lie. A lie. You don't have to clean your place every day, but every day you get up and straighten up and map out. Map out. If I even for drag, no mama. Sometimes you depressed for all months, you can't even clean. You understand me? But good God, man, one day you have to shake yourself out of depression and sinus are going to kill you. One day you have to shake yourself out of depression. So when you want to go in a posh place for muggle on the app, you have to can care posh place. If you can't care old place, me see my mama fall up and neat up garbage. Me shame because me not neat up and fall up garbage. You come from the app and you say, you still have enough time when you're in your house, you know, wear drawers and a blouse alone you have on. So what park up underneath you from the leather? You know, wear drawers, you know this. The police them come and expose your house, you still not do nothing. You still not do nothing. Then GX move out, we see rat shit for the deal though. And in the drawer that the way you explore your things them with them, bro. I'm glad Phoenix Park no original way because they will CD will come for Phoenix Park because CD are true on you. Sweep and straighten up, yeah. Sweep and straighten, that's all you have to do. Nobody not tell you to wash your curtain them 100 times. You not have to wash your curtain them a your own them. Just make sure them not bother nobody. Just make sure when people sit down they don't go yeah. I pick on the people I nasty, we don't long in the car, everybody a cook and me alone now cook. I nasty, we don't long, I go finish my part and put on my piece of pumpkin when my neighbor give me sweet yeah. I harvest where I keep harvest. She asked me for pepper, I asked her for pumpkin. Jamaica gone body, I brought a barter system. I love when you still just that really come on for say, me I come back later do here. Don't feel bad, don't cuss me. Wanna move on the dirty blood finger, I think you're not gonna make hungry like me for the fridge. Come suck out my nose. And you know say people, I'm my neighbor give me a wicked woman from up the road, give me the picture tags. Because people I never have nothing to cook this morning. Nothing. I never have nothing to cook this morning. And my neighbor just carry come like, she get a vision. And carry the pig foot. When I look on the pig foot, me I wonder if it's a baby pig them kill. Because the foot them a little bit, you see. The foot them a little bit, yeah? Lie, your fridge always full. I only come meeting here, I can't bother take them out today, I go leave and I only come meeting there. Later, I love her, big up on herself. Yeah, I can't bother with them.
So we do a backers, my neighbor see. Huh? Him say me like the curtain, the kitchen curtain. But they might get a blind to put there.
Yeah, man, everything I got set up the real way.
I keep telling the blind money to come on me and give woman a backers, my neighbor, a pass and look.
No, sir. Okay, Shanspi. Okay.
I just come see all of them something here. So, how you think you make me feel?
I don't know you want to ask, so you make you feel. Make you feel.
Remember, you go for the furniture, them, I never did it. You start fix up in here, I never did it. When me even come here, fix up in here, I just sit down and look. I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing now, you know.
Tell us I'm a friend.
I don't touch nothing now, you know. And when you do these things, what you expect you make me feel?
I want to feel. You this.
I'm melting. I'm melting. Me say, I am melting. But again, son.
That is it.
You're the best. The best ever for true.
I'm swelling up my head.
May I swallow up your head? No, the truth.
Thank you.
Remember, you know, me have talk truth. That the start man, I there for 12 years. That don't make no sense. I meet you.
Me know why you
buy car. I meet you. I live somewhere. Me have serious blood clot problem, you know. Me want to know say me a big man. I only when you're going I only when I go a party and you look a young boy that when I have the money, you hear them ball out, please start be capping. If me never get nowhere at all, me go back right and I see if you go click my life. I'm not ashamed of nothing and afraid of none of y'all. Me not ashamed of nothing, I'm not afraid of nothing. Me wouldn't have to go rent Airbnb for one reason. Me not ashamed of a long time I live there. And I know the condition and the situation. So if me not get nowhere, me not go back on my yard, go click my life in my house and it is what it is. You know not get that? No. Me not really love do this, you know. I don't really love do this. I mean, I tell my team, honestly. Today, I don't.
People, you know, say the whole heap of drama and the deceiving and the trick, the prank, and all these something make we can't really give Rosalie like what would I say? The congratulation what she deserve, because people, this is a real Cinderella story, you know. If you don't look at it, you know, you see me I say a Cinderella are the one where Prince rescue from the place, or a Rapunzel. Me not remember. But this is also if a Rapunzel the Prince Charming come rescue, well, this is a Prince Rapunzel and Cinderella story, because Rosalie find her Prince Charming and the man where she want in her mind, she get him, you know what I mean? The man a do all the right things them for her, my people. You see it, he must show up in the right way, where people not expect a man to show up for a woman where not brown and petite or have the bumper and the breast them and something. You know what the typical woman where a man would go all out for? Well, Rosalie another shape woman, she another type woman, and she dark skin and ray. And the man show up for her and I do the right thing. So me have to give her props, you know what I mean, and congratulate her. You see me? Big woman thing. So let me know what you think, make you watch some more.
Only day me will do this. I'm not going to ever do this again. You're telling the truth. Rascal. With my team, we're team. It's true me know my girls them. It's true me know my girls them. Once me shame them. Team. It's my girls them I show me not do chatting. And today the only day me will do this. I'm not gonna ever do this again. It's the next time I'm over here talk, I'm gonna make one go and talk. Wait. It's what I got Airbnb. Flip. When I got Airbnb, pat plate of the plate all them place, yeah. So all of them place a plate of in them place, yeah. In them place, yeah. Plate of in them place, yeah. Spoon of in them place, yeah. In them place, yeah. Plate of in them place, yeah. It's when I got Airbnb, the store of a connect. So I got Airbnb, the store of a connect. A brand new store, see all the plastic here. See there? The stove of a connect, see there? When I got Airbnb, the stove this so have to connect. I'm not gonna really do this again. So it's all the naysayers and the lippy mouths. 2 words me phone for 2026. Ring out to the mama. Me done. What I got my team. Lovely. Lovely. Throw back the picture. Lovely. Throw back the picture. Lovely. Throw back the picture. Guys, true, me have no neighbors now. I mean, I try to change my follow-up grounds. Lovely, throw back the picture. Me have no neighbor now. I mean, I try to change my follow-up grounds. We can't ball out. Even that distance, distance. It's different. We can't ball up a total. Lovely, we can't ball up a total. She put up back the DP with me and the boy. So I'm making it look like Airbnb. Paradise. Right about no more, go buy some tea. And I got to go to the store to get 2 pots. And the pot thing them have for Amazon, more on them finish come out. The pot some of them have for Amazon, more on them finish. Everything come at once, so I don't go 2 times. Right now I look at pot, I got one buy, I look at second pot. I'm gonna buy one regulator. I'm gonna buy one regulator. I'm gonna carry over my sin the last time. I'm gonna buy one regulator. I'm gonna fill the gas pan if it's soon done. If me did at Airbnb, I could wake up and light the stove. The stove can light kind of regulator and the pan it's not too enough. A lot of people business no shame. You know what's so special about Rosalie? Yeah, me done decent things. TikTok. Service man.
Yes.
Service man. So wait, what I'm tweet?
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, you're gonna connect the wire, okay. AC man. Yeah. And the AC when we go buy, and the light peel them over here so them get phone call and say me in there buy furniture. Yeah, and the AC man. You can't know wire it? So let me ask a question. When I can turn it on, because it was turned down and you turned it up from last night. So when can I turn it on? Oh, can you do me a favor? Can you pass a fan for me in there?
Fan?
Yes. But oh, nice man. What more home man? Yeah. No. Be for the blood clot you to work, you know. But there for me, thank you. No man. They must be for the work.
Never get one of the rich girl them. One of the rich gift them.
Focus on for entertainment purpose only. Thank you. So lad, me not even have no cup. Me not even have no cup. Can't get me to get a drink of water. Yeah, let me take the cover for me. So yes or no? Call the cover for my boo boo. Come on. See there, babes. Where's the no boo boo? Maintenance fee, me can't pay it, you know. So me I try exchange with no rabbi. Exchange with no rub in the eye. Yeah. Hey, trot, when I enter the rank setting, me just come back on my work. I said when I tried me, I said no, it's my work. Oh. I know for 2 more I better cut me. I want a regulator. Look at it. Can you get it for me? I'll pay you.
Well, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. And you know, so me see Hakeem in a one chair. You see me, I say, well, you can swing around in a like. Me definitely know say him buy that and him buy half he buy for himself. Because me know say Rosalie can't fit. Me, at least me don't know how strong it is still, but me don't think them they make for no people where fat. You see me, I say. Well, that will encourage Rosalie if you go up on a little weight loss journey. You see me? I mean, no say that in the working, you know, people. Maybe that I go on already because I don't think Rosalie big like one time. You see me? I say, I feel like say she watch what she eat and she take supplement or whatever to lose the weight. Not supplement. No, she take things to lose the weight. So, let me know what you think with people make watch some more.
Nice article, man. I want a regulator. And that's what it is. Oh, so the regulator and the hose is different. I need both. How much you think is it for it? Okay, ask for me, please. Man, Chat what's up? I'm gonna get it, Trot, when I enter the ranks, so I know a blood clot, you know. When I enter the blood clot ranking, I know we are laps. You want to look something at the gallery chat. We got people at the gallery. We got people at the gallery chat. Chat, we are look the honor them, the cargi, the fireworks, and the look of flying jet. I'm gonna leave. I'm not gonna stay here, so. What am I going? I'm gonna fit up my stove. I'm gonna cook some white rice. I'm not gonna stay so. 8.5k millions of people. Oh, want something at the gift gallery. My team member them and the people believe in me. Love and love alone. The haters them. And then I'll live to see my downfall. It's not now what double T. Double blood clot T. Why double T sometime will fuck some boy I'm bring back a pussy. Double T my baby. You know where's Cinderella? Cinderella for the this moment, you know. Lovely. I can't ball out to the people in place. What lovely day. We're going for this, yes. We're going for this.
The room. The room there. I don't know. How would that room they come from? I don't know. My girl can't sleep. Oh, the room sleeping on the house. May I look see? There's some. My good in our room. I'm telling you.
Come here, I'm going to say something. I don't like to say something. Come here. No, come here, son. Come sit nice here, son. I asked her to have a prayer. Come here, son. No.
That girl, stop taking me to my comfort zone, man.
Remember you fix up the whole area, you know. When me have a bed I sleep, you know.
And you want to be angry?
If you let me go kill you, you know, boy.
Man, night, be a man, them little thing there. Pussy, go suck your mother TikTok, boss. And the thing is, you know, the pussy them say she choose me and not choose them, you know. And them feel a way about that, you know. And two of me see it, you know. Anytime nobody call my name around TikTok, boss, him get irritated and him start to get insecure and them things there. Because he knows that he's no fucking body. And you be nobody, pussy one. Or you feel look on my woman and want my woman. You say she has somebody, you what? Look on your child, she want a man with them skin a peel off, brother. You coming like a blood clot banana, you know you. Your skin just a peel off, so you know dog. Your skin just a peel. Look on your beard, no, look on your blood clot skin. You look like you have AIDS in a TikTok boss. Don't take a HIV test, no idiot. My girl would have to go take a test right now, you know. If you ever get to fuck my girl, you know, she'd have to go take a test same time, you know, bro. Cause you look like you have AIDS in a dog. Me I tell you, you know, me, she can get a fan right now in her bed, right now. Sperms in her belly, same way. Look for me good now. AIDS boy, TikTok boss, AIDS boy. Go take a HIV test, pussy, and come show it. A beer things there on your chest too. A beer things there on your chest, dog. Like, bro, go take a HIV test and come show with the result, idiot boy. I want to hear, man. You ever do that? You ever blood clot do that? Yeah, man. And anybody where feel like say them can diss me for TikTok boss the same way and follow my page and do what you do. I make my bring down your blood clot. You hear me? I tell you. Go take a HIV test. TikTok boss, go take a HIV test. You fucking want to and you talk about. Every minute me buck up me there on my life, this brother talk about this and this a girl I went fuck, this and this a girl I went fuck over here, so this and this a girl I went fuck over there, so and this and that. So you mean for tell me, say the bag of girl them where you are fuck, not one of them never you sit down in your face see that?
Me know if you're TikTok ass. Live mo. Mad like him a try to make me look like me mad. And I try to make it look like say the same woman when
Well, my people, me did tell you no say the man them a go full up in the dog woman inbox, you know, and it look like say them did start full up in there before it was official say them there. You know what I mean? So me know say no, it a go pack with more man. You see me? I wonder if this relationship is strong. Fi stand the amount of man we are going in at the girl inbox. You see me? Cause them girl them maybe been through life, cause you know girl with them big ass and rare and look good. You know say from the man inna them ears, man inna them, you know what I mean, DM regular. So maybe she been there and done that, and that's why I like the older woman them. Where been there, done that, and just want bill. You see me I say, because me reach that age there, so the young thing them no, that no entice me. You see it, a big woman where, you know what I mean, she may be a joke one or two man, cause you can never put certain things past woman, you know, cause from woman look good and we don't want no ugly girl. From woman look good, you see me I say, man I go look them and then maybe choose a one man same way where I burn up on the side. See me? So you have to accept that. I know say yo, not really accept it still, you know, but you have to know say that's a possibility, and don't make it surprise you if you find out say yo Ray. You see me? So she may be been there and done that, my people. I don't want to run up and down no more and just want to lock in with Tavii. So make us see what go on with that. So make us watch some more, my people, and then move on to the next.
She mad, like she sick in her blood clot head. Remember ask that question TikTok boss. If my woman did for make up her mind and give you a chance and they say chat to you and them thing there, you think she'd happy with you? You think she'd want to do road with you? The only thing where would I make you look decent are the clothes them where you have on, you know. Because what? Enough of them gully Chinese made the US way, you know, charge you. And you boast like say a big designer, you know. But if you take off your clothes and thing, you know, bro, and put on a marina and make people see your chest and see how you look, dog, your cranny, you fuck, you know, bro. No, that brother, your cranny, you fuck, go do what you say and show it. Come in, man. Every minute you dip on live, boy, you fuck girl and this, fuck that girl, and so fuck that girl, this, fuck that girl, this, so your skin look really fuck up. Go on and do what you say, make us see what I go on. And stop the bleaching, brother. The bleaching thing now work, bro. You look like a fucking idiot. And you, bro, me not understand all the people over there so are fun your bleaching. Them are fun your bleaching, dog. Me not get it. And you ugly you fucking, I wish girl I look on you and fuck you.
Please to put it out. I may have the screen record when you say me or government 3 million Jamaican dollars, something like so. Put it out. Your baby mother work for all same way. Put it out. I wanna see what me do with blood clot on in a Belgium, yeah. Money. When me done we don't know. Put it out. I dare you to blood clot do it. Let me ever hear the first digit number pin over your pan blood clot me much as to the last. I wanna see what me do, we don't know. Me that show no what the people them pan TikTok send me them gift money for do. No fuckery. You that see? At 2026 a year? Oh. Me no wanna league. Me not go for no liar when me say, oh, I need a legal aid liar. You fucking mad? I pay my money to do the job. Nope. So make my social security number reach pa. Let me hear the ground lizard with my social security number. Me just want to hear the ground lizard with my social security number from the first part. If I even the first part me hear. Just the 4 digit. I just want to hear. And I just want everybody get it on a screen record. I'm good to go. Me safe for life. No blood clot. Come here for prison in a foreign ya. Me that show no where the people them on TikTok can give me them money for. Of course, I don't want no legal aid liar. I spend it blood clot, liar, pay. That's a plan. Thus I make you know my plan from now. So I dare you not to do it. Prove to the internet so no bad. Show TikTok say nothing can be done. I'm sure to say if me never have money before, me have it now. Of course, test your badness. At 2026, you know, to that nice. If me make one piece of food I found, you know.
No wonder why you're so damn confused and hateful. Because if you're to be Desmond, you're ugly Desmond. And as Destiny, you're ugly Destiny. And not only are you ugly physically, you're also ugly spiritually. Which makes you even uglier. You come at these women because they can't look like them. Look at me. I'm in my 40s, Destiny. And you wish you looked like me. Destiny, what you will look like when you're 48 with that mouth. Jesus Christ. You can imagine Destiny at 48 to like about you know, uncle's age. You can imagine him at uncle's age with that denture. My Lord, Destiny, you don't plan to fix them. My God, Destiny, you research and dig up everything else but a dentist address that can fix your mouth. Destiny, you can dig up and post and file everybody's information, Destiny, but you cannot dig up and just find one dentist to fix your mouth. This is modern time. Come on, even Brit. Use her $2,000 and have her veneer. Vani have her veneer. So many people have their veneers. I don't need them because I'm in. You see what I'm talking about, Destiny? Look at my fucking blood clot teeth. Straight. Which is what you're not, because you're not on. Because you're not straight. Look at my teeth. Even though I'm a sodomite, my teeth straight, no bomber clot. Look there. Bitch. You keep coming at the woman because you know within yourself that you're ugly. You gay and your shape straight. Me could have fooled any little pitney and tell them, just take off your head part and just tell them so you're a bamboo. Straight. Not your lifestyle, you know, you gay, but your shape where you have straight. Destiny. You see when you turn so, me not doing a surgery, Destiny. Watch here. It's like it's the letter P, the writer, so. Destiny, if you're 48-year-old woman, watch the Destiny. Watch the Destiny, watch her. 48. Watch the Destiny. Bottom. You see this? You wish you had it. You see this, Destiny? Watch out. You see this? Hip. You see your own? If you do so, you just go down straight so. Watch my own. You see the shape of my hand? Destiny, you don't have no shape. Destiny, you don't have any shape. Destiny, all you do is put on costume. Destiny, I get up out of my bed in my raw form. Destiny, I'm a natural hear this. You see, on a pepper grain, a pretty cause it roll up. You see my hair, when them shave it, me can use one and take up the next one, so cause it have magnetic properties. Me celebrate my natural beautiful self. See there? Nose straight. Straight like rebel one, I'm a born with it. A wire talk say, teeth straight. Only me alone no straight. You know me is a sodomite. Yeah. Apart from that, everything straight. No police record. Come file straight, clean. In every country. No thief, no passa, no met, not no depend my name, no dirt, no pum no spread up over mountain. So you can't ever know if my pum fall up like color.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I talk listen to the rest of this video, and I mean, because I run through it. You see me, so here I go on. I make Zanja do the most of the talking, and Uno do the comments in the comment section. So make watch some more my people and then we move on to the next.
You can't ever know if my clitoris when I touch it so, if it did open so, but when I touch it so it just close up so like a she and Mary. You will never know. Cause I don't walk and spread out myself like clothespin and sheet like you. That a big nasty careless you. Why you so worried about the facts of me and them pum pum? Me I do what you now do. Are you when me end up if start name the pum pum them, you know? Yes, because you not name them and them I forget name. What you feel like? Then you not name the body them come in and want name them so no switch, bitch. Where you come tell me some name pussy for? Me supposed to name pussy is a lesbian. What we do? Since when telling me some name pussy have nothing to do with the conversation, careless dirty wannabe girl, what favor donkey with a twist up blood clot mouth, what look like scoliosis. Since when does telling me and reminding me of the things that will make my pum pum jump, like when them girl they are TikTok and them make them body jump. I saw my pum pum jump every time when they tell me some name pum pum like dog. I picture no so not turn me on. Or not turn me on every time when you tell me so. Every time when you tell me something, I just feel like a tickling right down there, so it does excite me. I love when you tell me something and pum pum. It's like gonna liberate me. Yes, it's about time. The world know me. For all them time when I'm there Jamaica, me hide my sexuality and affair lay down in a shame. Tell them destiny. Tell them, make them know. Zanja man, nyam pum pum. Me supposed to nyam pum pum. That's what lesbian do. But none of the children will ever be provided with any evidence of it. Because I know how to be respectful within a space. Clap that. Me eat the pum pum them. Because you not name them. You walk and suck the cock them. And oh, when you see the body them where you suck, I lick out your teeth them. Because like you take some big bamboo, you know. It look like you really love to take on some big challenges. The fact that you try to make your mouth meet with mine, you really love to take on some big challenges. So Mrs. says like you take on some big bamboo destiny. I mean I tell you say dislocate your teeth them, shift them up, twist up your teeth them in your mouth like the snake hair them on Medusa head. Or twist up them up like them have scoliosis. I say your mouth, you just twist up. You ever look in your mouth yet, Destiny? Destiny you not have no mirror or sit salon. You not have no mirror or sit salon. So Destiny, when you grow up now, you know about to brush your teeth at morning time. When you brush your teeth, how you feel? I don't want you to say me a shout because I know this is very emotional for you. Destiny, when you brush your teeth, how you feel? When you go to the bathroom, when you're done so good, and you go to the bathroom and I brush your teeth, how you feel? It's not the veneers this, you know? I'm born with it. Yeah. But me I say, when you go to the bathroom to go brush your teeth, Destiny, how you feel within yourself? How does it affect your self-esteem? How do you feel when you put on the makeup and everything, but you know you can't smile? You remember when they say, when I see you smile, I run an extra mile. Oh, but club. You understand? Why you open your mouth, knowing that people going to focus on your mouth? Destiny, when you take on these positions, you know, and become a public speaker, you have to make sure that your mouth. Destiny, you see, before I came on, I brushed my teeth and brushed my tongue. You understand? And I make sure I continuously. Where's my water? Oh my God, Destiny, I need to get back my water. Oh, there it is. I constantly make sure I have water to dehydrate. You know what I'm saying? I mean to hydrate. You know, sorry. I used the incorrect word just now. I used the antonym. I should have used the synonym. Yeah. You don't know what that is, right, Destiny? Because you never really You have a high school certificate? Okay. And you guys did lessons in the gully? In the gully in New Kingston? Because you're ashamed of your past. You're ashamed of your past, you know, and that's why you keep digging up other people's past and trying to dig up and finding nothing. So you see, Destiny, you see, if you want to know things about me, let me explain to you things that you can use and tell me. I've been homeless in America. How you know? You can search YOUTUBE and you will see videos of myself and my daughter on American Idol. You see, Destiny, that's the difference between you and I, you know. You see, when I struggle, excuse me, Destiny, but thank you God for burping. Yes, you see, when I am going through my struggles, Destiny, I don't sit and accept struggles as a point of defeat. I turn that struggle into a story and share the story, and as a result use it to plummet myself or catapult myself to a point of success where I can turn around my failure into success. You see, you are not going to be able to do that, Destiny, because you don't have that skill. Remember, you're a very bagger and you're a dunce. You're back of the class, not have no subject, and even if you don't have no subject, you know, so make yourself make you associate with people who are on the pathway of greatness. You know what I'm saying? So you can, a little of it can rub off on you. No, you're there every day, day in, day out. What is your vision for yourself in the next 10 or 15 years? What you plan to do with your life? Suppose they close down TikTok. What's going to happen for you, Desmond? Or you're just going to suck hood and FFF. Desmond, your body soon stretch out, you know? Your body soon stretch out. Instead of trying to research people and trying to find people's address, to post people's address, and you know, why don't you research some plugs? Buy the plugs at different sizes, because you see, each time, if you plan to just fuck like that for the rest of your life, your body going to eventually stretch out. Remember, Desmond, you don't own a vagina like mine. You see, even though you say my clitoris must fall up and look all, the fact is that my vagina is tight, Destiny, because I'm not taking any F. In there is me give the F if you want to know the dynamics. I'm not pretty down. You understand? Pretty down does that, but I'm not that. You know what I'm saying? I give the fuck. I don't take fuck in my pussy. I fuck the girl in my name pussy. You understand what I'm saying, Destiny? You say I don't need to dress like one man and hold up myself so because I'm not delusional. I know that I'm a woman. I have accepted myself as a woman, Destiny. You understand? And that's why my dressing will not necessarily determine anything. And I don't.
Alright, my people, this more I ask you, do that more challenge, you know, seeing name one person on TikTok that them and Destiny never go at it. That Destiny never go far, and them have to come this him or whatever. Name one person on TikTok where him never like try to disrespect or try to get some clout out or whatever. One person.
You need to have that as a public conversation. If someone is meeting with me and I'm speaking with them privately because we have an interest in pursuit, then we share that type of information. They would understand my dynamics. But from the outside, you assume that people F me in my pom pom. But how would you know that? What's your evidence? You see, in literature, Destiny, we have something in language arts, because I'm a language arts teacher, Destiny. And in case you want to know, Destiny, I actually teach students online. So sometimes you don't see me, it's because I'm teaching a class, Destiny. A lot of you make the assumption that I have nothing doing, or I have different streams of income, different seasons, different ways of making an income. Because I'm brilliant, Destiny, I have that type of brilliance. If you notice, the only time I get bagger is just to kind of let you guys understand, because you're crabs in a barrel, I have to learn the crab language. You understand what I'm saying? Because it doesn't make any sense to waste the intellectuality on you, because it's going to be a waste. You feel what I'm saying? So that is why sometimes I have to behave like that so you can kind of understand.
Jesus Christ. Somebody please send a picture. Anna, come here, mama.
She's in church. She's a Christian. You send me, baby? Alright. You said, look here, Coco, do me a favor. Send it to Anna page, please. Send it to Anna page, please. She's in church. She's in church. She's a Christian. She not do certain type of thing. Alright, you tag me in the post. Alright, thank you, baby. Alright, Coco. No to blur. Not. This is a half a joke.
Where you say go on? Oh yeah, screw sir.
Man, not screw where you talk about.
Who trouble you?
No man.
Wait. Wait there. I'm going to be good man. Wait a second. On your Wi-Fi.
Guys, you can't just give me a minute. I one phone me have. You can't just let me go look on this and come back. I one phone me have. Me not have more. Me not have two phone. Me not have another phone right now. You can't give me a minute. Me go look on why them do it. Me can't give me a minute, please. And me go look on this and come back, please. Me soon come back. Anna, I need to look online while I go on. Yeah. Coco, Mr. Do your thing. Yeah, Coco, just go in the bar and type. Even talk about my daughter up here stuff on social media. A little bit me say what my office say me keep a race. Everybody say that their daughter they not dep on the media. You understand what me I say? And you tell my daughter and post my daughter out there in the public. You post my daughter out there in the public, bro, for what? Why you do that? And you see how sick you be? You post my daughter and she in a church. You can't see say she is a Christian type of girl. You see me? You post my daughter, you can't see say she in a church. As you look on her, you can't see say one calm, collected type of person. You see me? She in a good job. You understand what I say? She not dealing in the media. Ivani post it, brother. Ivani. A fucking serpent on the app. Ivani is just a fucking leech. Or she just leech from people for pay her rent, bro. Ivani post my daughter. My daughter when me not post on social media. She post my daughter. Me never met my picture reach out there. I've never met me out there on the media. I know this go out there. How you think she gonna feel? Them say, oh. Let me see, I block you. Me not feel the energy for cussing nobody this morning. I'm not that energy this morning. When you cuss and load up yourself, it blind you. You can't even see the right thing to do. I know for a time we get dark. What you mean by me shouldn't admit say I'm a Pitney? Them say a Chanel post it. You come like say you deaf. You deaf or something? It's not Vani. So why you say a Chanel? So upon the picture, hold on. The video says Vani post it. Okay, so me I wonder why I couldn't act so dumb. Why are you guys acting so dumb? Pan it said Vani post it. So why not come call and I say Chanel? Why not say Chanel? It never did say Chanel post it. Them said Vani post it. And if you read, right, you go hear them say she post it in our WhatsApp group. So So, what make you say a Chanel? When can I say a Chanel do it? Because they want me go cause Chanel. Because they want me go post. And you know how they wicked to blood clot. You know how blood clot Ivani stay. You sit down and watch how Ivani.
Not Chanel. It's Ivani. They're saying post the picture.
Yeah.
The reason why everybody gonna say Chanel.
Well, my people, you know one thing me learn in a life is that you never blame a person or say a person do something unless you have proof. You see me I say? So you see, if Ivani never post the pictures on her page where you can say, okay, alright, she post it on her page, well, don't say a she. You know what I mean? Unless she come out and say, oh, she do it. If you have proof, you blame that person there. Because a person can be that type of person there, you know. But that no means that everything bad at them do it. You understand me? So let me know what you think. Make me watch some more and then move on to the next.
Chanel and Drago, they wanted to cost Chanel and Drago, right?
Yeah.
But if you cost Chanel and Drago, they ain't doing nothing. Just leave it. Ignore them. Don't answer nobody. Right? Make a video on YouTube because they realize that you and Drago and Chanel not green. The more people gonna come and say Chanel because what you and Chanel do.
So where the video originated come after? Which YouTube? Me this say YouTube.
No, I say you can post your videos them on YouTube like how you're custom doing, right?
Yeah.
But what I am saying, the next thing too, everybody realize that you and Chanel and Drago on terms. So they're not going to say it's Ivani. They're going to say it's Chanel and Drago post the video and the picture.
Told him go see how much he can get for it. He told him don't sell it, just see how much you can get. The watch was given to me by your grandfather and it been in the family with for generations. So the son went out to a pawn shop and they told him they will give him $50. So he said no, he good. And went to a jewelry store. The jewelry store offered him $250 and explained that the watch needed a little work. So he told them he would come back and went to an antique store who offered him $2,500. So he worried home and told his father. So his father told him to go back out to the museum. So he went to the museum and they offered him $250,000. So he went home back to his father happy again and told him the good news. So his father smiled and told him the moral of the story: go where you are valued, not where you are tolerated. So what I'm telling you is some boy and some girl for go suit them mother. You don't need them. Branch out and start playing match with some foreigner. You got 100K plus by your platform. You think tough. I like you, my girl, everything about you, but me not like how them try to style sometime. You see how dancehall artists try to get international features to broaden their fan base. So fuck them Jamaicans. I just start release music in 2024 from when me there and I get more streams from foreigners. Even my manager like fuck Jamaican that. So venture out, baby girl, and stop lily down your thing and make some people style you. I love how you deal with the situation, but you have to know how to say fuck you and lift up from around some people. When they violate you, your fans go wherever you go. That's basically what the message was about. Yeah. And true. And then it's like when I read the message, you know, I read, I say, Jaden for fuck off, doing a real life like Jaden for fuck off. I not care who wants screen record this. I'm go stop growing Jaden them. Let me tell you what I get to understand about Jaden them. Jaden is the spirit of what word where you use now? Humility. Them try to destroy people. Let me tell you, you see Jaden
And let me tell you how they stay. Jaden, Shay, and Jabas and Queenie, they are the spirit of humiliation. You see, with Jaden now, they act like they rate you, but they don't rate you, bro. You see, when you grow on them, they try to bring you down and go on like they rate you, they don't actually rate you. You see, Jabas and Jaden, them not like nobody above them. When you feel like say Jaden, them rate nobody, Jaden, them don't rate nobody. The moment they realize that people are trying to rank and people are go higher than them, they try to cramp them. That I sit and I realize, me understand. As long as you're try to be around Jaden and them people there, you're not gonna really make it up, bro, because you see each side then try to see you go out there, then try to cramp you. You see the only way you go up on Jaden page, you go up on Jaden page because you want to highlight, and Jaden never build my page, me build my own page. Jaden only highlight my page. Jaden is a narcissist. The reason why, and he play a lot of game, Jaden is a narcissist. The reason why Jaden is a narcissist now, Jaden mother abandoned him. So true, Jaden have a pain in her heart in try to grow and destroy everybody who he can destroy and do it with Annie, do it with Fabi. So everybody will look vulnerable to him and go around and see them. You see, anybody in realize they can't use and stay far from them and look for you weaker virgin of people them. You get what me I say? With the thing with Shay, me feel like say Shay have a secret for Jaden for true with Dr. Man. I don't care who nobody who wants screen record it and put you out there. I strongly believe say Jaden Shay have some file for Jaden. Yesterday when we did a play the match, you realize every time Shay kind of get ignorant with me, Jaden try to buy out the argument and go up on Shay's side. Me been ask myself this question, what is so special about Shay? So it's like Shay have the secret for Jaden, so Jaden a try to buy Shay for stay calm. And me just want to tell Jaden say you can't buy your Shay. You can buy your Shay because the time Shay just a go draw what I want out of you and you have to live under Shay. And the moment illicit thing Shay himself, Shay, I go put out a business and I sit down and I go watch everything I go on. Me not care what nobody wants to say, I don't have to play with Jaden, I don't have to play with Shay them. Because when I sit down here so I get me gift them I don't know energy for growing. I get what I say. I learn and I observe everything. The best thing about everything, I'm glad I never send Jaden my location. Me glad me never send Jaden my location. A lot of people, oh Jaden help this, them are wicked on the app, them cannot be trusted. They cannot be trusted. And me see, you know, realize every time me don't want to feed them company none at all. You see like come here and TJ sit down and we play and we positive. You see me and Kitty or TJ they bring down nobody this morning. No. We little gift, we appreciate you, we thank God for what we have. I will run with joke and that. Me no want no negativity around me. As what people say, try go on international platform and go play. You see this morning, me sit down over here, so bro, I sit down, I'm come with faith this morning, and the people then come and they show for me see the number 8, me then a daily ranking, bro. Me no need them a hypocrite. And as long as you see them, me I tell you see as long as they under Shay, Jaden, and Jabas, you're not gonna really reach far. You're not gonna really reach far. Tell me, I tell you. You see, as soon as they realize say you get scored, then jump from the match, bro. Or then try to slow down your thing at me see it. Well, on the Kiki, do a subscriber group because that everyone will understand. Yeah. So what me I realize there is like them I try to use me energy. Me even see when I type them I try to replace me dog. Only for them if they could have replaced me, they replace me. I say they try to replace me more than one time. That's why I'm telling you say you have to know say you have blueprint in a life, you know. You have the blueprint and you have photocopy. So when only people see that you are the blueprint, then try to photocopy you, and when they try to photocopy you, no, then try to duplicate you. After then try to duplicate you, then try to delete you, erase you. So you have to smart. You see, if you're not smart and not on a spiritual journey, you see what happened to you. You think this thing over here, so what talk about ranking, and you feel like say, oh, it's just a game, it's more than a game. it's more than a game. The reason yesterday when you tell me say me should apologize to Shay, me apologize to Shay because I was being smart, more see what me want to see. And deep down, me believe say Shay has.
The people, let me tell you something, man. You see, in life, you have to play with the hand that you were dealt. You see me I say? It's like this. You want a position in a life, you have to start from somewhere. And if you don't know if you rise from the lowest position in a life, well, me don't know what to say. Because everybody have hopes and dreams, and me don't think nobody going a job and satisfied with the position with them in and don't want to upgrade or elevate, you see me, to a higher position. You see, Kiki starts somewhere. You know what I mean? She dep on a level by herself for years or months. You see me? When the lion man forward, her stocks get raised up higher. See, now she round him, she see say why, alright, she get the highlight, but them a use her. You see me? For them rise, you know what I mean? Or for entertain them people. We, as I said before, we are all here to be used but not misused. You see me, or what they call it, abuse or whatever. She have to know say, yo, alright, this them I do. Alright, me I will just go and play the fool for a while. Until you rise from which part you're there. If she feel like say, yo, okay, alright, me need to win off of them, you know. Well, win off of them and go on your own, but make sure say you don't drop back. You see, make sure so when you left the nest you can fly. You see it, so let me know what you think, my people. Make you watch some more.
Secret for Jaden, I tell you, I not care who want screen record nothing. I not care what they want say we are gonna live for seat. I remember say Kiki they said that and my mother did and gone. You know what my mother always tell me say? My mother always tell me say, before one of my word come to pass, heaven and earth shall depart. And me I tell her say, you see anything what me say out of my mouth, when I go live for seat and remember say Kiki they say. But the thing with me now, you know the reason why one heap of them not like me and me I got show no why. You see light no light and darkness no darkness. The whole of them over here so them a dark spirit pan it happen. And they see light in me and they know so when I come pan here so me a go shine a light pan in darkness. Jabas are no good smaddy either. Jabas are no good smaddy either. Jabas no like see nobody win. Jabas no want nobody win. You wanna see Jabas come by me the washing machine that they don't feel like say Jabas do that with a willing heart. Jabas do if you try feel like saying can't tear me. So me stay under film covenant. So every time I try to rise above him, he go say, oh remember say me did buy you one machine to make me be little. But they realize say no matter what they give me bro, they could crap me and say me can't tear him. So me sit down and watch everything and pray everything. So what me want to do, you see, for this a year and now, me I go do this thing independently. I am going to do this thing independently. Me I go sit down and play a match with who I want to play a match with. You see, if you start off with one rose or one rose, cause no, me tell her with no 5 people then why they can't talk. They feel, bro, Jaden no build me page. I just give Jaden a rating, say Jaden I'm a teacher. But after me seeing style and see what I do yesterday, I take back my ratings from him. It is okay to rate people and it is Jaden no build my platform. Me over here so play from me not get nothing at all. The only thing me can say Jaden do to my page is put highlight in panny. Because I know saying oh this so you make more people know you. But them not good. So you see that the crew that me no want it. You know when the person send me everything I'm looking to, when Jabba said that tell me say Papi Balloon Challenge and 2 days before the Papi Balloon Challenge, Jabba said invite me out. Me never go. Because it is too sudden and me go fly and me never tell nobody. Next me go here and come on live and say, oh, you feel like say me go see me. That means say you could have plans. Me quick for going now. When me got Papi Balloon Challenge, you know how people that treat me them things there. Bro, a whole heap of things. Would that come like it time again when Jaden's I me think of him send me lion. Do here for come a night match when me not too ready me come then try bro. Me I keep myself to myself.
Me soon style one is not a good set of people them. You see over here, so you see TJ and Maya, me I give them a benefit I doubt right now. I doubt or whatever me have listed. And them me I give benefit I doubt right now. You see TJ me grown TJ. You see Maya me grown Maya. You see Box TV, me grown Box TV. Me I study everybody. You have to know who to make come at your yard and who not to come at your yard. And the best thing what me ever do in my life is when me never send Jaden my location. The best thing ever. I tell her, them not real over here, them a fuckery. Them a wicked too. Them a wicked. Let me tell you, say them a wicked. I mean now make this so. Me now make the social media thing can hurt me. Me has keep me distance. Every day, Kiki, you need to stop. You can't tell me not to stop talk about Jaden. I tell you. All of them are pussy. Yesterday we are watch play a match. Why you jump from the match? You think a little bit of time I sit down on TikTok and when I sit down on TikTok I not get no gift at all and I never jump out and no match. Why is it when them not get no gift then jump? Them a pussy. Always are these people, them a pussy. Oh, we catch up them. Them a fuck man. Me I left them. Me. I keep my distance. Me done. Me no want me come a town. Me not mix up in a them. Me just keep my distance. TikTokers go where TikTokers go. Me stay around my regular people them. If my fans them see me, wagwan Kiki me there. One wave can get a picture, yes. Me a go one event a book them have to book me. Me not look down my thing for none of them come style me. You mad? I want make them do honest so true they realize say and them not have nobody to fight for them. You see they not look on that. You know see them try that with Kitty and certain girl pan it, me mean triple. And certain girl what they pan the app because they know they have strong defend, they have people to defend them and they can't play with some people. People who look like they don't have nobody, they take disadvantage of them. So you can't come and say, oh, me not have nobody.
Well, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section because at the end of the day, if you're comfortable at a place and you feel like say yo it a drain too much of your energy, well, I feel your choice, you know what I mean? Me always say this, everybody at every point in your life, no matter how it may seem, you have a choice. You see me I say you always have a choice. Yes, you always have a choice. So let me know what you think, my people.